The concept of shamanic healing, including shamanic journeying, is not understood on a rational or logical level, as you have learned in my other course about shamanic journeying. You need to open your heart and your senses. You need to trust your intuition to see behind your daily reality. You have learned to visit the other worlds that for most people are strange and unfamiliar. In our culture, spiritual work is often denied, but I believe that through your experiences with shamanic journeying in the beginner course, you now know that there is more that lies beyond the physical world. And here is a little recap. Shamanism is a spiritual practice. We find shamanism all over the world, with different practices, methods, rituals, and beliefs. Shamans are healers, or people who can see in the dark. They are mystics, doctors, advisors, and teachers. Shamanic journeying is very important in shamanic practices to bring healing and harmony on all levels of your being. There are many ways to do a shamanic journey. Some love to do simple meditations. Others use fast or slow drumming rhythms, but dancing and a special breathing rhythm also helps you to go into a state of trance in order to reach other realities or other worlds. Just a short recap about the 3 worlds that you can visit in a shamanic journey: the underworld, the middle world, and the upper world. The middle world is the starting point for any journey. The underworld is a place where you can find your power animal, spirit guides, and parts of your soul that have gone missing. There you can find knowledge or answers as well. The upper world is a place where you have access to upper spiritual guides and teachers. They can help you to manifest your ideas into reality. Drumming is the oldest form of healing on earth. You already have experienced the powerful effect of drumming in my beginner course. In this course, we use the same kind of drumming music again, so you should be comfortable with it. So now, let's move on.